deer that's something. Oh. So Mr. Temjin here is trying to help this deer that's something. Oh. Don't know, because you're hurting his neck.
Get me more sticks, please.
Yeah. Just careful, man. Don't grab it from the neck.
Does anyone have a cloth so I can put over his head? Actually, why? Yeah.
There's farmers just down the road.
Bro, we're saving a deer right here. Make sure he doesn't bite you.
Yeah, no. We're sinking here. We need
sticks. Put sticks down. Put sticks down. Poor animal.
Put a lot of them.
Put a lot of them.
Let's reinforce the floor with some sticks. Don't worry, little one. You're not.
We're gonna get you out. Don't worry. Snap this one. Oh. We're literally saving a deer. Where are they? I told Abe to hurry up. Abe, did you take all the keys out? Okay, tell them to wait there. Yeah.
Yeah. We just found a little one. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're trying to get out. But it's just sinking in.
They're always coming through here. Careful there.
Yeah.
We're going to just reinforce because we sink here a lot.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Well, do we call those farmers over there?
We can do it ourselves.
But they've got, like the horse carriage came.
Yeah, but we're just going to reinforce the floor so I don't sink, and then I'm going to try to pull him out.
Abe, you just record. Story about the faces with the everything out there.
Don't worry, little one.
Damn, that thing proper sunk in. Just mind your boots, man. You don't want to get them all muddy.
Give me more sticks, please. Come here, little one. Don't be scared.
Okay, so there's... Alright, let me do this again.
I don't want to get kicked by him, or...
So Mr. Temjin here is trying to help this deer that's something. Oh. Don't know, because you're hurting his neck.
Get me more sticks, please.
Yeah. Just careful, man. Don't grab it from the
Does
neck.
anyone have a cloth so I can put over his head? Actually, why? Yeah.
There's farmers just down the road.
Yeah, good. So I can wrap his head so he doesn't bite me. Yeah.
Oh, you bite your foot.
Abe, keep recording.
He don't bite me, but...
Yeah. Just careful, man. I have to watch this to make sure your face isn't in it. There's farmers just down the road. So Mr. Temjin here is trying to help this deer that's don't know, because you hurt his neck.
He's so scared.
Don't grab it from the neck. Right, I'm just going to save it, I'll deal with it later. There's farmers just down the road. So...
I'm trying to take a piss and we just found a deer.
Fuck, I saw the head and I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
He's very heavy. He's probably... He's quite heavy.
Okay, hold this, let me call legit.
Legit! Look after the bikes!
Stay next to the bikes, please.
Look after the bikes because the keys are in there.
Guys, give me the sticks, please.
Well, I'm sinking in this. There you go. Yeah. Just don't hit me.
Yeah, get those here. Thank you. Careful.
Bandage.
It's alright, head above. Head above.
Come here, little one. How do you stop it?
Just walking around adventuring. We're from the city, so we like to go to the water.
It's usually full of water. They wouldn't come in. It's full of water.
Yeah, you can see there.
Just want to cover his head so he doesn't bite me.
Yeah, I went for his
Come here,
feet.
little one.
So we can get the whole herd come through here. We get whole herds of them come through here. This one's obviously come into here because
You're going to sink in there.
Yeah.
But you already did.
Yeah, I know.
I am. Guys, go around.
No one has any rope?
Otherwise he's going to get stuck as well.
Yes, there's rope. Just make sure those two are staying there.
Dear.
There you go, he got out, he got out.
Come on, little one. Sorry.
Yeah, hold his head from biting you.
He's out, he's almost out. There.
He's coming.
Almost. What a shame. You've got two of you there.
Yeah.
He's doing a great job.
Yeah. Well, I just went through there and was like, look, there's a deer in there.
That's what happens, you see. We wouldn't see from where we are because we've been trying to clear all this. We want to get rid of all this. We want to get a chainsaw. This hasn't been full for a while. That bit gets full. This one doesn't get full anymore. Oh dear. You're doing a grand job.
A lot. Mind your back, mate.
Yeah, mind yourself.
Okay, nice. She's gonna definitely run, so just be careful.
So, well done.
Yeah, you're gonna wash yourself, don't worry.
Probably too tired. Yeah, pretty knackered, poor little thing.
Oh, look at it. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, well done.
You did it, mate. Well done.
Little one. It's free. I know, but I need the front post to go on the floor. There we go.
Alright, sweetheart.
Yeah, that's it. Come away from the back legs.
So you don't want to get yourself kicked.
Yeah, you just resting that.
Poor little baby.
I don't think it'll be in here again, will it? Okay, back legs are out. It should be full of water.
Just watch out because she might start running in a sec.
There we go, that's it.
The trouble is that she needs to go that way. If she goes any other way, she's going to go back in it again, isn't she?
Okay, I'm going to have to literally grab it and take it from there. Oh, come on,
Come on,
little one.
He's just had enough.
Hang on, you can break some of these out, right?
Yeah.
Right, it's a rope strap.
We need to get rid of all this lot.
How are we going to get?
If you want to go that way, don't you? Not back down into the mud again.
Very tired.
She's definitely tired.
So there's a strap here that we put behind donkeys to help them load. If you can get that underneath, we also use it to lift donkeys, yeah?
I don't realise just how muddy this is. It?
Yeah.
What?
Be careful.
So, how would you... What do I need to do now?
Well, to lift donkeys, we just take one. No, because I think you'll crush
gonna
it.
hurt.
We take one each side and pull up, otherwise you squash the ribs. So
How muddy they are. I can't believe how muddy they are.
And look how much she travelled.
Yeah. Oh, from there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Must have dropped down from there.
Yeah, she jumped down from there.
give me this one.
One each.
Ready? There we go.
No, don't go that way.
Oh, God. Okay, so...
That's the problem, you see.
ground on the other side.
The edges are not so bad. It's when you get to the middle, it's all boggy. That's the problem.
Jesus. Who would know if we just stopped and found a deer?
And that's the way she came from, isn't it?
Over there.
Yeah, but the way it's going to start trotting around.
No. Get out from there. You're going to sink in.
Move forward.
You'll be alright.
You won't be okay.
Careful.
How long she's been there?
I'm going to try to lift her, or him. Okay.
not broken, it's just way too tiny. Needed it to go more that way.
This is the last one.
There you go.
Can you get the straps underneath and get a handle?
We've moved it twice.
Yeah. She keeps going
Going that way back into the mud again. That's the way she came in.
Stupid question. Have you tried laying the material down?
Hey!
That's a life saved.
And she's gone.